In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Enhanced Safe Browsing in Google Chrome step by step. Enhanced Safe Browsing helps protect you from dangerous websites, downloads, and phishing attacks by providing faster and more proactive security warnings. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. Then select Security. You'll now see the Safe Browsing section with different protection levels. To enable Enhanced Safe Browsing, click the radio button next to Enhanced Protection. Chrome may display a short description explaining the additional protections provided by this mode. Enhanced Safe Browsing offers stronger security by checking URLs, downloads, and extensions in real time and warning you about potentially dangerous content. Once selected, the setting is enabled immediately. You can now close the Settings tab and continue browsing. If you ever want to change the protection level later, return to the security settings and choose Standard Protection or No Protection based on your preference. Keep in mind that Enhanced Safe Browsing may send more browsing data to Google to improve security, so choose the option that best fits your privacy and security needs. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Enhanced Safe Browsing in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.